Welcome to Codeclickfilm. So let's unbox DJI OM4. This is SE edition. These days phones come with OS, but for more cinematic level of stabilizations we require gimbals. We also call it as smartphone stabilizer. I have purchased this from Flipkart from Big Billion Days, so I have got it in a very good price. This is how the box looks. Some features of the gimbal line, its contents are mentioned on the box itself. So let's unbox. So first we have is documentation. Generally we don't read it, but in case of gimbal I think we will need to read it. This is the tripod. This we can attach to the gimbal. So here we have our gimbal. You can see it's in foldable state now. It's very compact. You can literally put it inside your pocket. This is a magnetic clamp. To be precise, we call it magnetic phone clamp. This one is the extra rubber sticker in case if we have a small phones. We have a Type-C cable for charging the gimbal. That's it in the box. So we also have one more variant of this gimbal. In that case we get the extra magnetic sticker which we can stick directly in back of our smartphone. Let's have a look at each content now. Starting with the gimbal. Here we have some buttons and joystick. Inside we have zoom in, zoom out button. This is the way how we unfold it. Here at the top we stick the magnetic clamp along with phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We will have a separate video for its all features.